Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file weekly unemployment claims online in Washington State. First, navigate to the official Washington State Employment Security Department website. You'll need to log into your secure account to access the weekly claim portal. It's crucial to file your claim every week you are unemployed to ensure continuous benefit payments. This process helps verify your eligibility and availability for work. When filing, you'll need to provide specific details for the week you are claiming. This includes reporting any gross earnings you may have had, even if you haven't been paid yet. You also need to list all employers you worked for during that claim week. Remember to confirm that you were able and available for work, and that you actively searched for new employment opportunities. To avoid delays or issues with your benefits, always file your weekly claim on time. The typical filing period runs from Sunday through Saturday for the previous week. Be very careful to accurately report all income you earned, as misreporting can lead to overpayments that you'll have to repay. Also, if the department requests more information, respond quickly to keep your claim active. After entering all your information, carefully review your claim summary to ensure everything is correct before final submission. Once submitted, make sure to save your confirmation number. It's important for any future inquiries or if you need to check your claim status. Remember, staying organized helps the process run smoothly. Also, for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Oala water bottle link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.